Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your Grammarly account. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is all you need to be in this particular site, which is grammarly.com website, or you can even use your Grammarly app. So then what you have to do is just go all the way to this left corner. Then over here you'll see options like My Grammarly, Trash, Account, Apps and Premium. So from here just choose Account option and it will load for some time. Then once you are over here, you'll be having options saying Profile, Subscription, Writing, Settings, Try Grammarly Business, or even this three dots. So out of all this, just go on to this Profile option. Then over here you can see name, your profile, linked account, email, preference, but just go all the way down. Then over here you'll see delete account. This account will no longer be available and all your saved data will be permanently deleted. So just go with this option, delete account, and over here it will ask you to provide your password. So just provide your password and just press delete account. Once you have pressed to delete account, then your account will just be deleted. So that's pretty much that, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.